In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to Squarespace. In order to do that, you first need to head over to Klaviyo and make sure to create an account by adding in your email address and signing up. If you already have one, just proceed to click on this login option that you can see right here. Now next, head over to your squarespace.com and click onto this Get Started option right here in order to create your new website, and head over and click on Login. Now we also need another tool which will be our connector, and it's called Zapier. You can head over and search for Zapier from there. Now in there you can just start free with email or with Google, and you can also proceed to login if you would want. Now in here I have my actual Squarespace, and I also have in here my Klaviyo. So in order to connect those two together, let's head over to our Zapier. Now into your Zapier, we just need to head over and then create the Zap. Click onto this Zap option right there in order to create an automated workflow. Now from in there, we just need to head over and then just access our editor. We just need to head over and add in here an app for the trigger. Let's click onto this trigger right here and head over right here to the app. Now onto the app, click on search and search in here for Klaviyo. Now once you have found Klaviyo right here, you just need to head over and then add that. And then after it, you just need to set it up by adding in here a trigger event that you wish to have. So click onto this right here and click onto this new event and make sure to sign in into your Klaviyo. Once you have successfully set up your Klaviyo, next thing you need to do is to just head over and then search in here for other options. So let's put in here our actual action. Click onto this right here and click on app. And then from in there, search in here for Squarespace. You can choose Squarespace Forms or Squarespace Commerce depending on your liking. Now you just need to set it up right here by choosing here an action event. It can be an API request or the likes. Input right here your account and sign into that, and after that you can just head over and publish this automation, and as you can see right now, it will be connected to each other. So that's how you connect Klaviyo to Squarespace. Hope we helped.